Sometimes you have problems. I'm talking about sentence problems. Now don't worry, we don't have to be sad for long because these have easy fixes. First, let's talk about the types of sentence problems. There are three main types of sentence problems. We have fragments, we have run-on, and we have fused sentences. We can fix each of these pretty easily. So let's talk about the fragment first. When you have a fragment, you basically have a partial sentence. You're missing something. And so to fix it, we just need to make sure we have all the parts. Make sure that each of your sentences has a subject, a verb, and makes a complete thought. If you get all three of these parts, you won't have problems with the sad fragment. The next type of problem is the run-on sentence. In this sentence problem, we have a bunch of sentences pushed together, mushed together into one sentence. Well, that's not good. So let's see a few different ways that we can fix these sad run-on sentences. The first thing we can do is we can make two separate sentences. Just push apart their run-on and separate them into independent sentences. The next way that we can fix the run-on sentence is that we can make it a compound sentence. We can use a comma and a coordinating conjunction to split it into two parts, but still stay in the same sentence. And then the last way, we can just make it a complex sentence. And we can add a subordinating conjunction and use the semicolon if we need to, and we can make it a complex sentence. The last type of sentence, sad sentence problem we have is the fused sentence. If you look closely, this is where we have two different sentences fused together into one with a little tiny comma. It's also called a comma splice. This is very common in writing. But don't worry, we can fix the fused sentence the same way that we fixed the run-on sentence. We can split it apart into two separate sentences. We can make it a compound sentence, or we can make it a complex sentence. So don't be sad and fix all of those sentence problems.